Let's move on, get you all the latest on the coronavirus cases that have been reported in India. There's a new threat of asymptomatic cases that has come to the fore. The Health Ministry has revealed that 80% positive cases are asymptomatic or show mild symptoms. And this revelation came to the fore after Chief Ministers of Maharashtra and Delhi said that there were a high number of asymptomatic cases in the two worst hit states. The ICMR has termed the rise in asymptomatic cases as a challenge. However, it said that India cannot go for mass testing due to a large population, financial implications and infrastructural issues. Remember, the total number of coronavirus cases in India are inching closer to 18,000.
Around 80% केसेस या तो एसिम्टोमेटिक या माइल्ड सिम्टम्स के साथ पाए जाते हैं, जो वर्ल्ड वाइड हम लोगों ने इसको एनालिसिस किया है. अराउंड 15% केसेस हैं जो सीवियर केसेस में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, जिनको हो सकता है कि ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट की जरूरत पड़े, और 5% केसेस जो होते हैं वो क्रिटिकल केसेस में कन्वर्ट होने के चांसेस होते हैं.
Let's take this across to our reporters on the ground. As we told you, it's two states that have reported the most number of asymptomatic cases. That's Maharashtra and, of course, the national capital of Delhi. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us from Delhi. Devyesh Singh is joining us live from Mumbai. Ashutosh, to you first. Good morning. The government has been speaking, of course, about rapid testing, about contact tracing and whatnot. With this particular issue of a number of asymptomatic cases also coming to light, what really is the government strategy here?
Well, day before yesterday, Akshita, some around 86 cases were diagnosed and more than 100 cases were found positive who were asymptomatic. Even yesterday, it comes with the same case where the larger patients are asymptomatic. In fact, the ICMR also saying that that is going to be a larger concern. Perhaps why the government has taken, another scale-up measures that conducting tests in hotspot areas, including some random cases as well. So clearly, there are a few hotspots like one in Nabi Karim where all the tests were found negative. So, at the same time, the government is taking these measures. The asymptomatic cases turning positive have now become a larger concern for them, because unless and until you have a symptoms, no one is really going to complain about. And the challenging job is that how will you find out the positive cases amongst those people are roaming around. So clearly, that's the one concern. We'll have to see whether ICMR or the central government is also going to issue some advisory in that terms or in that regard or not.
Okay, let me also take this across to Devyesh Singh. Devyesh, a number of challenges really before the authorities in Maharashtra. Not just has there been a surge in the number of cases in Mumbai alone, in places like Dharavi, this was expected to be a problem that, there'd be a widespread of coronavirus which they'd struggle to tackle. Now with the challenge of asymptomatic cases also adding to that, the focus no doubt has to be on testing.
Yes, Akshita, the focus now is on mass testing. The government is trying to derive a plan on how to go for mass testing, because most of the most number of cases that are coming to light are asymptomatic. Yesterday we saw that 53 media personnel tested positive, where most of them did not have any kind of systems. They tested positive. The number of cases that came to light yesterday in Mumbai was 308, while in Maharashtra it was 466, which has taken the total toll of coronavirus positive cases, COVID-19 positive cases in Maharashtra to 4,666, while Mumbai remains with the top figure where 3,032 positive cases have been found till date. Areas like Govandi, Dharavi remain the biggest concern for authorities, because these are densely populated slum pockets, and we see that the numbers are rising day by day. We've seen that numbers have already crossed beyond 100 in the areas like Dharavi, which are densely populated, and people stay in tiny shanties which are only separated by a tin sheet. Most of them stay in rooms which are barely 10 by 10. So they venture out despite lockdown in place, despite the areas being sealed. People have not been listening to authorities. Police has been requesting residents to stay indoors, but these are slum pockets. These are the major slum pockets of Mumbai, where it has been very difficult for authorities to maintain lockdown, maintain social distancing.
Okay, Devyesh and Ashutosh, thank you for joining us with all the details. So on this, we'll have to, of course, await more details from perhaps the ICMR also on what really the plan is to deal with the fact that a number of asymptomatic cases or people with mild symptoms are emerging and they test positive for coronavirus.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.